Hi, it's Don here. Welcome to AI Entrepreneur Fortune. In this video, I'll walk you through the materials provided in the product. So in the front end, you will get 10 custom GPTs to help you with multiple aspects of online business, plus 365 done-for-you social media posts covering a full year of daily posting. On this page, below this video, you'll find a list of GPT tools. To use those GPTs, you'll need a free ChatGPT account. Signing up with ChatGPT is easy. So let's assume you already have a ChatGPT account in place. So I've put together the GPT names, quickly explain what they do, and have detailed instructions with each GPT on how to get started with them quickly. To use a GPT, you can simply click the Access GPT button. So let's see here, we have an instruction for Mila, the email and conversation assistant. You can quickly understand what it does and have a sample input to try to understand the process. Now let's try Bolt, the Google Business Profile GPT. Bolt can help create a detailed optimization cheat sheet to help optimize any business on Google Business Profile. Just give Bolt the business name, industry, and location, and Bolt will do the rest. I'm going to copy this sample input to paste into the GPT here. Now just wait for a few seconds, and it will do the rest. So you have this detailed table on how to put it to the Google Business Profile. And if you don't know how to use this table, you can also ask it, like, how do I use this information on Google Business Profile? Now let's check out Ren, the website content writer. Ren can write captivating website content for any website. And if you own some of my web agency Fortune websites, you can find Ren very useful. So you can just give Ren the business name and industry. Ren will first write an outline of the pages needed, and then ask if you want to proceed with the homepage first. Now Ren is writing the copy for the homepage. This website copy is optimized for SEO and conversion and can be incorporated into any design quickly. After the homepage is done, you can ask Ren to write other pages. Now let's try out Cora. Cora is very useful when you want to reach out to a prospect to offer any product or service. Cora is one of the most interesting GPTs I have created. It creates fun emails that address the pain points of your prospects while making them smile when reading. Let's see. Just give Cora the service you want to sell, and you'll see the magic. You can even ask Cora to write more emails or write longer emails. I've been playing with Cora, and I can say that the emails Cora writes are better than most creative writers you can hire on Fiverr or Upwork. You can even ask Cora to convert those emails to messages to send on Facebook or LinkedIn. Now we have more GPTs. Each one is designed to do a specific job to assist you with your online business, and they are all great at what they do. Now let's move to the social media part. As I said before, you're going to get 12 months of social media posts designed for each and every day of the year. So you can post on your or your client's social media profile each day without having to worry about what to post. You can download the ready-to-use images and text posts or access the Canva template to customize those posts yourself. The posts are divided into months, and in each month there are images and posts for all days. The only thing you have to do is to post on the right day. And here is the link to the Canva templates. You will need a free Canva account to use those templates. And let's also assume you have a Canva account ready. Just access this Google Doc and follow the links on there to access the templates. Here's what a template looks like on Canva. And yes, you can edit everything from text to images and then download your unique images. I've also put together the instructions on how to use the posts and the Canva templates on here. If you buy the upgrade package, you will get 20 additional GPTs and the vertical video version of those posts to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Stories, or Facebook Reels. If you have any issues with the product, you can visit the support page where I provide FAQs and a form to submit your support ticket. Thanks for watching.